In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to test your microphone on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Should be the best result. Select the system item on the left side, and then go down and select sound. And then scrolling down underneath input, select your Acer connected microphone right here. Select that. And then scrolling down again, there should be a start test button next to microphone. And then once you're done running the test, just select stop. And it should give you some information as well as if you want to record a sample of it to see how you sound and then play back. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.